Hello, myself Kalpana Chaudhary, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we are going to see the concept of buffer solution from the topic ionic equilibria. Now let us see first what is meant by buffer solution. A solution which resists drastic changes in pH by the addition of small amount of strong acid or strong base or by addition of small amount of water. A solution which resists drastic changes in pH by addition of strong acid or strong base or by addition of water to it. What is buffer solution? Buffer solution is a solution which resists drastic changes in pH. Drastic changes in pH by addition of strong acid, strong base or by addition of water. That means the solution in which if we add strong electrolytes, that means strong acids, strong bases, or if we dilute that solution, then also the pH of solution that does not changes. Such type of solutions are called as buffer solutions. And depending upon the properties of buffer solution, there are total 2 types of buffer solutions. Types of buffer solution. There are 2 types of buffer solution. Two types of buffer solution. First one is acidic buffer solution and second one is basic buffer solution. Now, what is the property of acidic buffer solution? Acidic buffer solution maintains acidic pH of the solution. That means the pH remains below the 7. Acidic property of that solution remains as it is. That type of solutions are called as acidic buffer solution. Or if we want to define acidic buffer solution, then acidic buffer solution is a solution of weak acid and its salt with strong base. Such type of solutions are called as acidic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution, a solution of weak acid and its salt with strong base. A solution of weak acid and its salt with strong base is called as acidic buffer solution. For example, solution containing weak acid, acetic acid, and salt of acetic acid with strong base, that is sodium acetate. Solution of acetic acid and sodium acetate is the example of acidic buffer solution, and pH of such type of solution is given by pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of acid. pH of acidic buffer solution is given by the equation pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of acid, where pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Ka, where Ka is called as dissociation constant of acid. Here acidic buffer solution, a solution of weak acid and its salt with strong base, that is called as acidic buffer solution. And what is the property of acidic buffer solution? Acidic buffer solution maintains acidic pH of the solution, and pH of acidic buffer solution is given by pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid, and where pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 Ka. If we say this equation as equation 1 and this is as equation number 2. Now let us see what is meant by basic buffer solution. What is meant by basic buffer solution? A solution of weak base and its salt with strong acid, and its salt with strong acid is called as basic buffer solution. A solution of weak base and its salt with strong acid. A solution of weak base and its salt with strong acid is called as basic buffer solution. For example, solution of ammonium hydroxide and its salt with strong base is NH4Cl. Combination of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride is called as basic buffer solution, where ammonium hydroxide is a weak base and its salt with strong acid is ammonium chloride, and pH of such solution is given by the equation pOH of such solution is given by pKb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. Then here whatever this pKb value is there, that is pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 kb minus log to the base 10 kb. Say this as a equation number 3 and this as a equation number 4. Basic buffer solution, its POH is given by POH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of base, where pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 kb. What is that kb? Kb is a dissociation constant of weak base. kb dissociation constant of base. Now these equations, which equations? Equation number 1 and equation number 3. Equation number 1 and equation number 3 are called as equation 1 and equation 2. Are called as Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Equation number 1 and equation number 3 are called as Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Now here we have seen what is meant by acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution. Now let us see what is the actual action of buffer solutions. Now let us see here. Action of buffer solution. Now first let us consider acidic buffer solution, and example of acidic buffer solution is solution of example is acetic acid and its salt of strong base is sodium acetate. Now we have to see what is the actual action of this buffer solution. Now we know that what is meant by buffer solution? A solution which resists drastic changes by the addition of small amount of strong acid, strong base, or even by dilution. Now let us see here. If small amount of strong acid is added to this buffer solution, that is excess of H plus ions are added to this solution. Now in this solution sodium acetate is being a strong electrolyte and it dissociates to give acetate ion plus sodium ion. Now here if we add strong acid to this solution, then in this solution the excess of acetate ions are present. This excess of acetate ion acts as conjugate base. That means here by the addition of strong acid, whatever that H plus ions are there from this strong acid that combines with this acetate ion, or we can say that this excess of H plus ion by the addition of strong acid that are consumed by this acetate ion. How? That we'll see here. Acetate ion that consumes H plus ions of strong acid to form unionized acetic acid. This acetate ion acts as conjugate base. Conjugate base. This consumes this H plus ion. So, it acts as a conjugate base that accepts H plus ion to form unionized acetic acid. Unionized acetic acid, and thus by the addition of H plus ion, there is no any change of the concentration of H plus ion, and hence pH of the solution remains as it is. Now let us see, if strong base is added to this solution, then what will happen? If strong base is added to this solution, then excess of OH minus ion from strong base are actually added to this buffer solution, and in buffer solution that acetic acid dissociated to form acetate ion and Na plus ion. But here this acetic acid from the buffer solution, that is in the unionized form, excess of acetic acid in unionized form is there in the solution, and this acetic acid from the buffer solution that neutralizes this extra OH minus ion from the strong base. Unionized acetic acid from this buffer solution that neutralizes hydroxyl ion from strong base to form acetate ion and water. Thus here extra addition of hydroxyl ion, that is neutralized, and hence pH of this solution is not changed due to the addition of strong base. Now here, if we dilute this solution, basic acidic buffer solution, if we dilute it by addition of water, then also there is no change observed in the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions. If this buffer solution is diluted by using water, then also the concentration of H plus ion that equals concentration of OH minus ion, and hence there is no change observed in the pH of this buffer solution by dilution also, and hence buffer solutions are used to maintain the pH of the solution. Now let us see what are the properties of buffer solution. Properties of buffer solution. Buffer solutions are used to maintain the pH of solution even by addition of strong acids or strong bases. pH of buffer solution is remains constant even by addition of strong acids or strong bases. This is the one of the important property. Second property, pH of buffer solution remains constant even by dilution by using water. And third property, which is very important property, if we keep buffer solution for longer time, then also there is no any change observed in the pH of buffer solution. If the buffer solutions are kept for longer time, then also pH of the solutions remains constant, and hence these are the three important properties of buffer solution. First one, pH of buffer solution remains constant even addition of strong acids and strong bases to it. Second property, pH of buffer solution remains constant even by dilution with water, and pH of buffer solution remains constant even that solution is kept for longer time, for so many years also. And these are the very important properties. Now let us see what are the applications of buffer solution. First application in biochemical system. Now pH of human blood, that is varies from 7.36 to 7.42. The pH of human blood that remains constant within the range 7.36 to 7.42, and even small amount of pH is changed. For example, if this pH that is varied to 0.2 on pH scale, then death occurs. That causes death of that person. pH of human blood that ranges between 7.36 to 7.42, and that is fixed due to the presence of buffer. Which buffer? Bicarbonate ion and carbonic acid. This buffer is present in blood that help to remain the constant pH of that blood that varies only between 7.36 to 7.42, and even there is slight change occurs 0.2 on pH scale, then that causes death of the person. Then here whatever salines are used for intravenous injection, that should contain this buffer solution. That is the application of buffer solution. Now let us see second application of buffer solution. Second application in agriculture. Now soil of the agriculture area that is get buffered due to the presence of carbonates, phosphates and organic acids, and hence that fertilizers are used by measuring the pH of soils. Choice of fertilizer that depends upon pH of soil. Now let us see next application of buffer solution. Third application of buffer solution in industry. Buffer solutions are most important in the industry of paint, dye, ink and drug industry. Buffer solutions are very important to keep the pH of solution constant in paint industry, dye industry, ink industry and also in drug industries. Now let us see next application of buffer solution in medicine. Now penicillins are stabilized due to the presence of sodium citrate buffer. Penicillins that are stabilized by the addition of sodium citrate. When citric acid is added to milk of magnesia, it forms magnesium citrate. Now let us see the next application and last application, that one in analytical chemistry. Now in case of analytical chemistry, for the qualitative analysis of third A group radical, for the qualitative analysis of third A group radical, pH of solution that should remain 8 to 10. And this pH will be kept constant by the addition of ammonium hydroxide and NH4Cl by using as a reagent, and combination of ammonium hydroxide and its salt, that is NH4Cl. This solution acts as buffer which keeps the pH of solution within the range 8 to 10. These are the important applications of buffer solution. Now let us stop here. Thank you.